and he will try to join us later. So you can start wherever you want.
Okay, so the registration is in course, so do not say do not say too much mistake. So I will share my screen as well. So you should see it. Let me know if you see my screen.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's okay. So this is a welcome screen of our website for the digital solutions. So it's dedien.digitalsolutions.app. So you have to register for it. So you can create an account by clicking on the register here the link here, and we will give you a password and a login. Okay.
Okay.
So I am now inside the app. So there are lots of things, but for you will see only planification 2D. And later on, we will upload planification on 3 dimensions. But up to now, the 2D is available.
That's fine.
So this is the first image. So you can write your first name and last name. This is a side, left or right, and planification, advanced or 3. The best is to make advanced because the software will select automatically some datas, and then you have to upload an image, okay, an X-ray. So I got one in my screen, so I've got this one. Oh. So this is the image I have loaded. So the X-ray I've been taken with. Sorry.
Can we interrupt you in the middle of your talk?
Of course.
Just so thank you for that. The thing that you upload is a picture. It's a regular picture, yes. GPG or any kind of picture with the accurate calculator. I am seeing the coin there, so you take into account the coin there to know the size of the structures.
Yes, there is. You have to make a picture with something, with a ball, of which you know perfectly the diameter. Perfect. So this ball is a 28 millimeter ball. So the first thing I have to do is to calibrate.
Okay.
Okay. So I push calibrate. You still see my screen, huh?
Yes. Yeah.
So you can fill in the diameter of the ball you have introduced in the X-ray. So in this case, it is 28. And then I make, I'm trying to calibrate like that. More or less, it's okay. Okay. So now the image is calibrated. So you have 3. In fact, you only have three things to do. The first one is you click on trapeze and you draw here something like that. Sorry, I make it again. You draw the metaphysical part of the bone. Up. So you have the bone axis. Of course, I'm not accurate. I'm not so accurate than what you are able to do. I think as a surgeon, you make better calibrations than what I'm doing.
Okay.
But this note is not good. I will make another one. I don't have a mouse. That's why I'm not accurate. I'm doing that on my laptop. So.
It's difficult with the trackpad.
With a mouse, it's easier. It don't want to work. I don't know why. Okay. So you have here the bone axis. then you just place a line between the two small trochanters, just to see the inclination of the hip,
Pelvic.
and then you can draw a circle. You can draw it around the head or around the acetabulum as you want. And then when you have somebody's coming, Mr. Sylvester.
Okay, that's fine. That's one of our team, one member of our team, Dr. Sylvester.
Okay.
Yes, let him in. Let him in, please.
Good morning, Mr. Sylvester. Do you hear us?
You are mute, Francisco.
Mute.
You are mute. You are mute.
Can I make a question? Sorry,
Yeah.
but what's the objective of the trapeze?
What?
The trapeze. We need to
Yes.
make it in metaphysics exactly, or
In the aim of his trapeze is to find the bone axis. So the bigger it is, the more accurate it will be.
Okay.
Okay.
You can go as deep as you can. It will be more accurate.
I will send you a mouse as a present, Ludo.
Yeah.
No, that's fine.
So this is not so bad. So you can.
So the red line appears after you draw the trapeze. Therefore,
Yes.
the trapeze give you the idea of a press fit prosthesis in that metaphysis, and then the software draw the line, the red line, in the middle of the press fit metaphysis.
Yes.
That's the idea. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
So you have the horizontal line, the circle you can make to draw the femoral head or the acetabulum, and when you are almost okay, you give a validation, and the software is proposing something. So in this case, it's symbol cemented. So I want cementless. I want Vara and standard or Vara, with or without collar, as I want. And in this case, I think the size is not so big, so good. So I will increase the size. I can move it a little bit. So you can do whatever you want in terms of movement on the stem. For the cup, you can have the same. This is symbol, cementless. And in this case, we have 54. Maybe I will try 56. I don't know. So you can play as you want with that.
So and the software put you the cup in 45 degrees of inclination automatically.
Yes.
Or you need to do so. It's based on the software. So you just draw the circle, and the software put the the acetabulum in the right position.
Yes. And after that, you can change inclination, but you don't know very well. You don't have the value of what you are doing.
Okay, you don't have it.
No.
Okay.
It's just to be the more anatomical as you want, in fact. But you don't have the value in this software. This software is something quite. The main objective is to make something easy to use, and fast to use. The 3D planification will be much more complex, but much more complete.
Okay. Do you have the possibility with this software to draw an angle, for example, or to know about an angle? No.
Yeah, you can make an axis, for example, like this. In this case, angle. I will, you know what? I will make an angle, for example, here. We'll talk. Ah,
there it says angle. Yes.
yeah. I can make an angle, let's say this axis with this axis. So in this case, I have an angle, you know.
Okay. That's
And
nice.
you can make also, you can measure if you want the distance between, for example, I don't know what kind of distance you could from this to
Perhaps you
this.
can take the distance between the center of rotation of the head and the lesser tuberosity and the lesser trochanter. That's nice.
This, for example, for example, this distance.
Okay. That's good.
Or you can measure also the distance between the head and the cut, the neck cut, so that you can compare it with your bone cut when you are doing the surgery. For example, you can measure measure several things, or diameter of the head, the femoral head.
Okay, that's nice.
Okay. And once
So
you have finished,
you have
click,
what is the
yes.
possibility? You have all your prostheses in this software. At the upper part, you have the symbol and the type of femoral stem.
Yeah.
And you
We have
can use a standard or varus. Yes.
cemented, cementless, standard, or varus.
Okay.
And you also have a with or without collar.
With or without collar. And with regards to the cup, the cotyle.
Yeah, the card you have cemented or cementless.
Okay. That's good.
It doesn't change many things, but only the drawings, the apex, a little bit the diameter.
Okay, looks fine. So and if you go down, you have the angles and the ruler to measure the distance.
Yeah.
And at the bottom of the screen, I can see a manual utilizer.
Yeah, it's an
tutorial.
instruction for use. If you want to open it, unfortunately it is fully written in French. It is the how to say it, the CE mark that makes necessary to use it. But it is in PDF what I am explaining you in live.
Perfect. That's good.
Okay.
That's good to review.
And when you have finished, you can click here and you will have a PDF. I don't know if you see it. Planification of the surgery, name of the patient. You have some dimensions such as offset and the length. And you have your planification, what you have planified in terms of stem. Here it's a stem size 6 without cement, standard without collar, and cup diameter 56, for example.
Excellent.
And this is completely free of use. You just have to register and to ask for.
So the idea for us is to send a mail and to ask you to we'll register with our mails, and we'll have the possibility to, because everything like this is online. So
yes, there is no software to upload on your computer. It is directly made on the web. So you just need an access to web.
So there is no software that we need to download to our computer. So
exactly,
just everything at the web, at the internet, and then print the PDF to take it to the operating room. But or we can save some screenshots.
Yes.
Marco, we
Exactly.
can do some screenshots in order to have the information, because the information is not saved at our computer; it's saved at the website.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
We can download the PDF and we can take some screenshot to have them
Yes.
at our.
Yes, exactly. So you have to log in this website. I don't know if you see the address. I will send you by email if you want, and you ask.
Okay.
You can register yourself here.
Okay.
You already generated users for Juan Pablo Perigliano and Marcos de Mundo.
Okay.
Sorry.
So those users are already generated.
Ah, okay.
Because
Okay.
Jimena sent me the addresses, and I already told Julien to generate them. So I don't know if you received the email with the login and password, but if not, I will remember Julien to send it again. So only
Okay.
It will be nice. It will be nice to have some possibility for me to
yes,
log in,
of course,
or
of course.
Francisco Silvestre also.
Yes, all the emails you want, we can use them. So as Ludovic told us, it's free, and we want as many users as we can.
Yeah.
But always we need to be online for the preoperative planning, for the digital preoperative planning. That's fine.
Yes.
Good.
You need to be online. Yes.
I think this 2D planification system is very user-friendly, and it looks like it's easy to do it. The only thing is the trapezium is the way to get exactly the actual line of the proximal femur. That's the reason why we need to draw a trapezium for the line of the proximal femur, but everything else, it looks very user-friendly.
Yeah, and you have to ask your radiologist to make an X-ray with something circular with
Yes,
the
we
diameter
already
you
have,
need.
we already have that. We have
Okay.
a accurate calculator. AcuCal is a ball of 1 inch. It's not 28. It's 25.4. But the accurate calculator, and we're taking the X-ray with the accurate calculator at the same height of the structure between the patient's leg, or at the same level of the proximal femur. From the cassette, it would be easy for us to have the exact measurements.
Okay. Okay. So I don't know if in your access you will have probably something more than the planification. We will be able to give you this if you want to show it to your patient. It is a 3D demo system for if you want to show to your patient what is a total hip, for example. You can use this kind of tool, and you can show to your patient how looks like your implant assembled or disassembled. You can show that to your patient if you want. Also, this will be given to you as well.
That's good for patient education. That's nice. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
The idea. Thank you so much for this tutorial. We strongly appreciate it. We need to begin to use it, and we'll try with Marcos and Francisco and Juan Previgliano. All of us will use it, and if we have any further question to ask, we'll let you know and ask question after using it a few times.
Okay, so feel free to contact us if you have questions.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So, please include Francisco and me in the mailing list for the password and to have the possibility to work on this.
Yeah. Okay.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank
Merry
you.
Christmas.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Ludovic.
Thank you
for
so
your
much.
time. See
Merry
Thank you
you.
very
Christmas for you
Merry
guys.
Christmas
Thanks.
for everybody.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.